How you guys doing? This is Brock with Brock Black Designs. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to install one of our custom horn covers and replace the cowbell horn cover. So basically what we're going to do is we got a couple of our things that we need to do is of course you guys probably have fancier tools than I do, but we're going to remove this horn cover because we don't like ugly horn covers here at Brock Black Designs. Okay. And then gotta take the studs off, and now we know that these horn covers and horns will actually fit inside ours, so we're going to show you how to replace it here in a moment. Okay, so we got the OEM cowbell horn cover off, and we're going to show you that the OEM stock, any side mounted horn covers that you have out there, ours are interchangeable. We do have a lot of different designs and themes, and you can definitely check that out. But basically what we're going to do is take this nut off the back here, and it slides out. Grab the horn cover that we sent you, and you can take this and slide it into the bracket right here. But we're not going to do that. These are junk. What we're going to do is we're going to upgrade it to a Screaming Banshee horn, which it's a safety feature. Guys, upgrade your stuff. You can also upgrade it when you order the horn covers from us as well. We do offer them, but great company. Check them out. So how do you install this? Exactly the same way. Oh, there we go. Always suggest doing Loctite. Make sure that you put a little Loctite on there. And you also want to make sure that you center this bolt so the horn functions correctly. Don't cross thread it though. Suggestion. Okay, and then make sure again that is centered and tighten it up. Now we're going to go install it. Let's go. So we're out here ready to install. We got the horn in there. Now we're going to put onto the bike. Of course, with ours, with every bracket comes the wire connector, and connect this to the horn. Okay, put it in the wire connectors that we give you to make sure that your wires stay out of the way, and then put the nut on there. You also again Loctite. You don't want the thing falling off. It's pretty, you want to make sure it stays on. So, and then tighten it up. Make sure it's straight. There we go. All right, so now we got to test it, right? Kick it on, and that's pretty loud. Gotta love it. All right, take care.